Today, we'll explore memory-mapped files in Python, a technique that enhances file I/O performance by allowing direct memory access. This approach is crucial for efficiently handling large datasets and optimizing resource usage. We'll cover core concepts, Python implementation, performance benchmarks, advanced techniques, and best practices. Memory-mapped files in Python offer a high-performance alternative to traditional file I/O by allowing direct memory access. This technique bypasses the need for multiple system calls and buffer copying, reducing overhead. By mapping files directly into memory, applications can achieve faster data access, especially beneficial for large files or frequent access patterns. Traditional file input-output involves costly operations. Each read, call transitions from user to kernel space, reads disk blocks into a kernel buffer, and copies data to a user space buffer. This double buffering, with multiple system calls and context switching, incurs significant overhead, especially for large files or frequent access patterns, impacting performance. Memory-mapped files streamline file access by mapping file contents directly into your process's virtual address space. This eliminates intermediate copying, allowing simple memory operations for reading and writing. The operating system manages paging, loading only necessary pages from disk, and writes back modified pages lazily, enhancing input-output performance significantly. Memory mapping involves the operating system mapping file blocks from persistent storage into a process's virtual address space using page tables. The memory management unit translates virtual addresses to physical disk locations. On accessing an unmapped page, a page fault triggers the operating system to load it into random access memory, update the page table, and resume execution seamlessly. Creating a memory-mapped file in Python involves using the mmap module. Open a file with r+b mode, then map it using mmap with access set to write. You can read and write using byte array-like operations. Use fileno for the file descriptor and length 0 to map the entire file. Always use a context manager for cleanup. Access modes in memory mapping are crucial for efficient file handling. Access. Read allows read-only operations, preventing accidental writes. Access. Write enables both reading and writing, with changes immediately visible to other processes. Access. Copy offers a copy-on-write mode, where writes create private copies, ideal for temporary modifications without altering the original file. In fast log analysis, memory mapping allows efficient parsing of multi-gigabyte files. Using regex, we identify error patterns without loading the entire file. The Boyer-Moore algorithm accelerates searches, while line counting remains efficient. Processing a 5 GB log file takes seconds, leveraging operating system caching for frequently accessed data, showcasing memory map's power in real-world applications. Performance benchmarks reveal mmap's efficiency, a 3.2x speed boost in sequential reads and an 8.7x improvement in random access. Memory overhead is reduced by 45% compared to traditional methods. These gains stem from minimized system calls and effective use of operating system page caching, tested on a 2 GB file with an Intel Xeon processor and non-volatile Memory Express solid-state drive. Memory-mapped files excel in large file processing, especially when files exceed available memory and require random access. They enable fast inter-process communication through shared memory without data copying. Ideal for binary data structures and high-frequency access due to page caching. Avoid for small files, sequential streaming, network file systems, and frequent resizing due to overhead and performance issues. Shared memory using memory map allows efficient inter-process communication. Process A creates an anonymous shared memory segment, writes a message, and waits for Process B to read it. Process B attaches to the shared memory, reads the message, and displays it. This method is faster than pipes or sockets as data remains in random access memory. Memory-mapped files enable efficient handling of fixed-size binary records using Python's struct module. Define a record format, calculate its size, and use memory mapped for direct access. Write and read records by packing and unpacking data at specific offsets. This technique is ideal for database-like access, enhancing performance in embedded systems and data-intensive applications. Unix systems use the mmap system call with map anonymous for anonymous mapping, while Windows employs create file mapping with tag name for named shared memory. Unix requires a real file, or dev SHM, for shared memory, whereas Windows supports case-insensitive tag names. Always test cross-platform code, as Python's mmap abstracts many differences, but not all edge cases. To ensure data consistency, use the flush method in memory-mapped files. This forces modified pages to disk, crucial before closing files or after critical updates. On Unix, flush uses msinc. On Windows, it calls flush view of file. Frequent flushes increase disk input-output, so balance is key for performance. Searching within mapped files leverages the mmap module to efficiently locate byte patterns. Using the Boyer-Moore algorithm, the find method quickly identifies occurrences, outperforming traditional chunk reading. This approach is particularly advantageous for large files, as it minimizes data copying and maximizes search speed, crucial for tasks like locating JPEG signatures in binary data. Zero-copy operations with memory view enhance performance by avoiding data duplication. Using memory view with mmap, you can slice data without copying, crucial for large files. This allows efficient data manipulation, like modifying memory directly or working with structured data types. Memory view enables seamless integration with C extensions and libraries like NumPy, optimizing resource usage. Handling memory-mapped files requires caution. Resizing issues arise if you attempt to write beyond the mapped length without remapping. Always close the mapping, resize with truncate, and remap. Accessing memory after closing the memory-mapped object can lead to crashes. Use context managers to manage object lifetimes. Test on deployment platforms to avoid platform-specific bugs. Memory-mapped files excel with large files and random access, offering fast, zero-copy operations using the operating system page cache. However, they face platform differences and resizing issues. NumPy's memmap is ideal for numeric data, leveraging a familiar interface and broadcasting, but requires NumPy and homogeneous data types. Standard read-write suits small files, while SQLite is best for structured queries. NumPy's memmap integrates with mmap, enabling efficient scientific computing. It allows read-write access to large datasets without loading them entirely into memory. Operations like fast column access and in-place modifications are possible, with changes syncing automatically to disk. This is ideal for sharing data between processes, leveraging NumPy's familiar interface for array operations. Concurrency with mmap requires careful thread safety considerations. While mmap allows shared memory access, explicit synchronization is crucial. Use threading, lock for threads, and multiprocessing. Lock or file locks for processes. mmap ensures visibility but not atomicity, so proper synchronization is essential for concurrent writes to prevent data corruption. Access patterns significantly impact performance. Sequential access benefits from operating system read-ahead, while random access prefers smaller page sizes. Map only necessary data to avoid address space fragmentation. Balance flush frequency to optimize throughput and durability. Monitor page faults to identify and improve poor locality, reducing disk input-output and enhancing performance. The memory-mapped logger class efficiently manages log file rotation using a memory-mapped circular buffer. It initializes with a specified file path and size, ensuring the file exists. Logs are time-stamped and written, wrapping around when necessary. Periodic flushing ensures durability. This approach minimizes overhead, making it ideal for high-performance logging scenarios. Memory-mapped files inherit file permissions, so ensure proper access controls, especially in shared memory scenarios. Sensitive data may persist in random access memory. Zero memory before closing or use locked pages. Avoid race conditions with atomic operations and proper locking. Validate offsets and lengths to prevent out-of-bounds access, which can lead to memory corruption. Always use context managers and call flush before closing critical data. Test on all target operating systems, validate file size, and use access, read for safety. Profile performance, document platform-specific behavior, and handle exceptions. Avoid mapping over unreliable networks, assuming speed, and sharing without synchronization. Don't ignore flush or close, return values. Memory-mapped files offer direct memory access, reducing copy overhead, perfect for large files and random access. Analyze your use case, benchmark alternatives, and consider platform constraints. Ensure production readiness with context managers, error handling, and testing. Mastering memory-mapped files can significantly enhance performance in file-heavy Python applications, bridging file input-output and memory operations effectively.